Welcome to Streamtek Corp. In this video, we'll look at our adjustable air amplifier. The Streamtek Adjustable Air Amplifier is a pneumatic product designed to move large quantities of air over short or long distances using only compressed air. This product is ideal for removing fumes, smoke, particles, and light materials. Since air amplifiers use only a small amount of compressed air to move much larger volumes of air, they are safe and economical to operate. An amplifier will increase airflow up to 25 times at the outlet by entraining the surrounding air. It also has an infinitely adjustable gap which can regulate the air consumption and outflow from a breeze to a blast. Streamtek adjustable air amplifiers are offered in aluminum or stainless steel material suitable for high-temperature applications. And we offer sizes ranging from 3/4 inch to 4 inches. How does a Streamtek adjustable air amplifier work? A. Compressed air enters the air generating unit through a female NPT inlet. It is forced out through a small adjustable gap and travels over a series of angles into the air chamber at a high velocity. B. The airflow exits the air chamber over a Coanda profile, thereby creating a vacuum which entrains the surrounding air into the primary airstream. C. This combined flow of primary and surrounding air is then exhausted from the air amplifier at a high velocity and high volume. Streamtek Air Amplifier can be used in various industrial applications, some of which include removing weld smoke, dust collection, removing harmful gases. For more information about Streamtek Air Amplifiers or other related products, please visit our website or contact us by phone or email.